the children's librarian at the Whitehaven Branch Library. Joining us today, I have my special friend Mila. Mila, say hi. Friends, tell Mila hi. Great job. Today, I will be reading to you a story called Caps for Sale. It's a tale of a peddler, some monkeys, and their monkey business. But before we begin, let's warm up with the song. Friends, if you know it, sing along. It goes, friends, friends, 1, 2, 3. All my friends are here with me. You're my friend, you're my friend, you're my friend, and you're my friend. Oh, friends, friends, 1, 2, 3. All my friends are here with me. Great job, everyone. Let's begin our story. Again, the name of the story is called Caps for Sale. Caps for Sale. Once there was a peddler who sold caps. But he was not like an ordinary peddler, carrying his wares on his back. He carried them on top of his head. First he had on his own checked cap, then a bunch of gray caps, then a bunch of brown caps, then a bunch of blue caps, and on the very top, a bunch of red caps. That sounds like a lot of caps. He walked up and down the streets, holding himself very straight, so as not to upset his caps. As he went along, he called, "Caps, caps for sale, 50 cents a cap." One morning, he couldn't sell any caps. He walked up the street and he walked down the street, calling, "Caps, caps for sale, 50 cents a cap." But nobody wanted any caps that morning. Nobody wanted even a red cap. He began to feel very hungry, but he had no money for lunch. "I think I'll go for a walk in the country," said he, and he walked out of town, slowly, slowly, so as not to upset his caps. He walked for a long time until he came to a great big tree. "That's a nice place for a rest," thought he. And he sat down very slowly under the tree and leaned back little by little against the tree trunk so as not to disturb the caps on his head. Then he put up his hand to see if they were straight. First his own checked cap, then the gray caps, then the brown caps, then the blue caps, then the red caps on the very top. They were all there, so he went to sleep. He slept for a long time. When he woke up, he was refreshed and rested. But before standing up, he felt with his hand to make sure his caps were in the right place. All he felt was his own checked cap. Oh no! Where did all the caps go? He looked to the right of him. No caps. He looked to the left of him. No caps. He looked in the back of him. No caps. He looked behind the tree. No caps. Then he looked up into the tree. And what do you think he saw? I wonder what's in that tree. Oh wow. On every branch sat a monkey. On every monkey sat a gray or a brown or a blue or a red cap. The peddler looked at the monkeys. The monkeys looked at the peddler. He didn't know what to do. Finally, he spoke to them. I wonder what he's going to say. You monkeys, you, he said, shaking a finger at them. You give me back my caps. But the monkeys only shook their fingers back at him and said, tss, tss, tss. This made the peddler angry. So he shook both hands at them and said, you monkeys, you give me back my cap. But the monkeys only shook both their hands back at him and said, tss, tss, tss. Now he felt quite angry. He stamped his foot and he said, you monkeys, you better give me back my caps. But the monkeys only stamped their feet back at him and said, tss, tss, tss. By this time, the peddler was really very, very angry. He stamped both his feet and shouted, you monkeys, you must give me back my caps. But the monkeys only stamped both their feet back at him. And what do you think they said? Good job, friends. At last, he became so angry that he pulled off his own cap, threw it on the ground, and began to walk away. But then, each monkey pulled off his cap. And what do you guys think they did with him? And all the gray caps, and all the brown caps, and all the blue caps, and all the red caps came flying down out of the tree. They threw them down. So the peddler picked up his caps and put them back on his head. First his own chest cap, then the gray caps, then the brown caps, then the blue caps, then the red caps on the very top. And slowly, he walked back to town calling, caps for sale, 50 cents a cap. The end. Wasn't that a great story, Mia? Yeah. I especially like the part when he went around the town yelling caps for sale, 50 cents a cap. Friends, can you imagine having to sell something? How would you carry it around? Would you carry it on top of your head? Or maybe on your back in a backpack? Or even in your hands? I think I'd probably carry mine in a backpack on my back. But who knows? Until next time,